name is Manuel Fernandez. I'm an entrepreneur from Spain. I found it very upbeat, very inspiring, even a little bit short because it's only one of the 3 talks that he's giving today, but really good in content, and I'm definitely gonna apply what he said. Well, I think what I found is like very straightforward advice that you can apply like from the right moment when you walk out of the door. It still is something that you wouldn't really think from if no one would tell you. So it's really interesting and helpful to have someone coming out of the moment to tell you anything that you can apply right now. I would definitely recommend even attending to a speech by Kevin O'Donnell, or even buying some of his books or products, because it's the same thing like he says in his books, it's the same thing as he says in his speeches, so anything like that I would highly recommend.